Welcome back to the Mac Factory, everybody. I'm Frosty LaForge, your host, and today I'm gonna do another rebuild. That's right, another one. Yeah, another one. Gonna do a rebuild from one of my old, Titan Macs, and rebuild that shit a little bit Titan style, and rebuild the arms and legs a little bit. And so very excited to do that. Do the cockpit, maybe a little bit more weapons. I don't know, but today is a nice day. So if you like my videos, just subscribe to the button below. And if you don't like my videos, get the hell out of here. Yes, get out of here. So everybody ready? Let's do this shit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright guys, so that's that yellow Mac that I was talking about. I'm gonna rebuild that and I'm gonna use that creator box, underwater sea bot, the yellow bricks right there. So I'm gonna rebuild the arms and the legs a little bit, and I'm feeling very excited to do that shit. So everybody ready? So Groku, what are you doing there? Can't you see I'm making a Lego movie right here? Go away. Okay, everybody, let's do this shit. If you like my videos, just subscribe to the button below. And let's build this, rebuild it, yeah!
Now, I told everybody I was coming back with something big, something wicked, something with some pizzazz. Unbelievable. Yeah, cockpit is ready. Man, I love that shit. That's a nice rebuild, man. Awesome, dude. Let's hook the legs and feet up, shall we? Let's do it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, the feet legs ready. It's nice, man. Awesome, dude. Titan style, Titan. Big butt. Let's hook it up, shall we? Let's do it, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What? It's too big, man. Oh my god. Titan style, man. It's so big. Damn. Nice. Now let's do the arms and hands, shall we? Let's hook it up. Yep, yeah.
They must be silent, but deadly.
Yeah. Arms and hands are ready. Nice, man. Looks nice. Yeah. Now let's hook that neck up, shall we? Let's do it, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What? God damn. Beautiful. It's so big. It's superb, man. Oh my god. It's so nice. I love this, man. I love it. It's so big. It's huge. It's the nose goes down. Wow. Love it, man. Don't you love it? It's awesome.
Hey, here we go. Shooting. Thank you. Quiet, please. Like a trusty boomerang. Ooh, I have. Ah! Like a trusty boomerang. Ooh. What?
On your feet, you wiener.
Catch up! Catch up with the. What is it again? With the others. Catch up with the others!